Hello friends, today we will talk about Ryosi project and we will also tell you how to buy Ryosi token in the last of the video. Its rank is 2734, around 2234 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is ryositoken.com. This is its price $0.002881. BTC is 18.92% down, ETH is 19.58% down, low price is 0 and high price is $0.002884, and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 348 million Ryosi coin, and its trading volume is around $7 lakh. After that we will come down, and this is its description. We can read it, and its total supply is around 1000 trillion Ryosi coin. After that we will open its website and click on ryositoken.com. I have already opened this website. Ryosi token is a decentralized and community entertainment token. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. If we talk about history of Ryosi token inspired by Shiba Inu token, and we will click on Ryosi. Ryosi is a coming out of the shadow to give everyone who missed out on his son Shiba Inu a second chance. This is community entertainment driven token that is here to take meme game and another level, to provide daily entertainment through NFTs, meme, art, music and token. 100% community driven, and every decision regarding future chance upgrading the development of the project will decided by community member voted. And this coin is using Shiba philosophy and solving problem focused on his son, which includes high Ethereum network fee and slow transaction speed. Ryosi seeks to impress the son with game-changing solution like implementation deflationary system. Established itself as the biggest and most successful meme currency on the BSC, and leveraging its low rates to pump Ryosi price to $1. The innovate tokenomics are mind-blowing. 3 is a 2% burn from every transaction that decreases the supply, increase the demand, which will end up regarding investor for holding. There has been total burn 50% and remaining 42% logged. PancakeSwap for 8% DEV wallet promoting the project. And basically this project work as a son of Shiba Inu token, and this coin work fasterly, and this coin solve the problem of slow transaction. After that we will click on tokenomics, and this is tokenomics and distribution. Token name Ryosi token, token symbol Ryosi, total supply is 1000 trillion, total liquidity 42%, token added to PancakeSwap locker. Burn token burned 50%, tokenomics 2% burn each transaction. And this is moon map, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5. Contract development, listing on PancakeSwap, advertising campaign, website launch, 1000 TMG member, meme development. And phase 2, influencer marketing, paid ad campaign listing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, and 500 TG member, 400 holder listing on CEX. Phase 3, 1000 holder, 1000 TG member, billboard ads and other developments. 25,000 holders in phase 4, release NFTs, price, place crypto, meme clothing, stop Ryosi swag and $250k donation for animal shelters. And phase 5, donate to help build animal sanctuary. If we talk about its future, and most of the coin are scam. If you want to invest in it, then invest only $1 or less in the beginning. If this coin perform good even after 1 month, you can invest in it, and this is my personal opinion. Be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.